Hey guys, it's Bree and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you are new. And like 2 weeks ago, I was asked to do a tutorial for how I do my Tumblr banners for my legacies, and we're finally getting around to that. So, what you just saw was the dimensions for the banner itself, which is what I use. Anywhere around there is good. If you want to make it smaller, that's fine. It's whatever you want to do. And I just kind of make a rectangle and fill it in with color. This is a very, very simple process. I mean, I probably could have done just video, like pictures on it, but I just wanted to make it a video just because I did. But yeah, you make a rectangle, you pick a color, or you pick a gradient, or whatever, and you fill it in, and then you write out your legacy name, and you pick a font and a size, and you position it how you want it. This is all just very, very simple stuff. I don't really do a whole lot for my banners, but I don't know, they turn out kind of cute. Oh goodness. Okay, now I was just picking a text still. Don't know why I spent so much time picking one. It doesn't matter all that much. It's just an example. But you're not, the final product of this, you're not limited to how it looks. You can like change up the placement. You can change up the background. You can do whatever. It's just a basic one that I do. I hope you will excuse my voice because I think I'm getting a little sick. I'm not sure. Or I just have a really sore throat. I don't know. One of the two. But I sound horrible, and I know I do. Like, my nose is all stopped up. Okay, now I'm finally done picking my text. And I put it there. Actually, I normally go with white text. So I just left this on black just because this is an example. And then you put your little number or whatever you want to put on the side. On my Not to Berry ones, on my Tumblr, I just have like a sim icon that I got from the Sim Wikipedia. You just go to the Sim Wikipedia and you type in whatever trait you're looking for the icon, and then you save that icon. And this is me just adding a border and a drop shadow to the name. You can do whatever color you want. It's just, like I said, this is just very simple, and I feel like I'm having to ramble and say something when it's very, very simple. But also, I use Pixlr.com. The link will be in the description for you guys. But this is what I use. It's completely free. It's completely I think it's completely web-based. I don't know if there's an extension or something you can download for it. Not sure. But I use it just on the website, and this is all just very, very simple stuff. Very, just basic banner. That was just me playing with the radial type of, what's it called? I can't think of the word. Brain, why do you do this to me? Anyway, and now I'm just going to my icons. I have a lot, and I have them all organized. And yeah, I have a couple of Sims ones that I have already used, so I have them already in my folder. And I just picked the one for Gloomy, so I went to like Sim Wikipedia and I typed in Gloomy, and I downloaded that PNG that they have on their website. And then you just resize it and put it where you want. And I've also put the border and the same drop shadow on it as well. Oh, and also the way I'm doing this is I had right-clicked the first one I did, the first layer that I had done, the legacy name layer, and I pushed copy layer style, and then I pasted layer style onto the other layers, and I have completely run out of time. I'm sorry, I knew this wouldn't be long enough to say everything I needed to say, but yeah, it's just a very simple thing, and that was it. Hope you all I keep hitting my boom arm. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you all next time. Bye! I knew that wouldn't be enough time, but I didn't want to make the video longer because it had to be like 4 minutes or 8 minutes, and I thought 4 would be better, but apparently not.